Listen to me, my friends. Nothing in life comes easy. Nothing. You want to be the best? Then act like it. Dream big. But wake up and work even bigger. People laughed at me, said I was too skinny, too emotional, not good enough. But I trained every single day. While others were sleeping, I was grinding. While others were doubting, I was believing. Success doesn't come from luck. It comes from sacrifice, from discipline, from showing up when...
You won't believe this motivational video was made with free AI tools. Have you ever watched a motivational video where the voice sounds exactly like Cristiano Ronaldo, Morgan Freeman, or Elon Musk? And you think, did they actually record this? They didn't. That speech was fully AI generated. The voice too. None of it was real, but it felt real. Welcome to the world of AI, where you can write scripts, clone celebrity voices, add cinematic music, and create videos that look professional without using a camera or a microphone. Today, I'll show you how to do the same using free AI tools. Even if you've never edited a video before. No mic, no camera, no editing skills. Just a laptop and some AI tools. People are already making money with this kind of content, but the opportunity is still wide open. If you start now, you'll be ahead of the curve. So, let's begin. Part 1. Write a motivational script using ChatGPT. First, we need a motivational speech. Open ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Act like a motivational speaker. Write a 1-minute motivational speech in the voice and style of Cristiano Ronaldo. The speech should inspire young people to chase their dreams and work hard. Keep it energetic, confident, and uplifting. You can replace Ronaldo with any name like Elon Musk, Oprah, or a fictional character. Once ChatGPT gives you the script, copy it. The speech is ready. Part 2. Generate the voice using Fish.ai. Now it's time to bring the speech to life using AI voice cloning. Go to Fish.ai and create a free account. Then follow these steps. 1. Go to the voice clone section. 2. Pick a pre-made voice model. 3. Paste your speech. 4. Click Generate. You'll get an audio file of the selected voice reading your motivational speech. If your chosen celebrity isn't available, pick a voice that sounds similar. Save the audio file. We'll use it in the editing stage. Part 3. Create background music using Suno.ai. Now it's time to add background music to your video. This is what brings emotion and depth to your story. We're going to use Suno.ai for this. It's free, beginner-friendly, and perfect for generating cinematic-style music. Step-by-step tutorial. Go to Suno.ai and sign up or log in. Click on Create or Generate Song. In the prompt box, type a music style or mood you want. Example: inspirational cinematic music with emotional strings and uplifting energy. Choose the music style, like cinematic, ambient, pop, etc. Click Generate, and let the AI do its thing. Once the track is ready, download the audio file. Now you've got custom background music for your motivational video, made with AI for free. Part 4. Edit the final video in CapCut. Open CapCut on your computer or phone. Steps. 1. Import a cinematic stock video. Download free clips from Pexels or Pixabay. 2. Add your AI-generated voiceover. 3. Add an image of the celebrity, optional. 4. Use the auto captions feature to create subtitles. 5. Import and add your background music. 6. Lower the music volume so the voice stays clear. 7. Apply a cinematic filter. 8. Add slight zoom for motion. 9. Export the video in HD. Your video is ready. You just created a complete motivational video using only free AI tools. No voice recording, no camera, no experience, just smart tools and a step-by-step process. If this helped you, like and subscribe. Comment below which celebrity voice you want to see next. This is Navila, and you're watching AI Decoded, where we turn simple ideas into powerful content using AI. See you in the next video.